Welcome to Zim Witness TV, your go-to source for the latest updates. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Zimbabwe is at a political crossroads. In a shocking turn of events, the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association, ZNLWVA, has made a bold demand. President Emerson Mnangagwa must step down. But why now? What has led to this dramatic call for resignation? Stick with me as we break down the full story, the allegations of corruption and tribalism, and what this means for Zimbabwe's future. At a press conference in Harare, ZNLWVA chairman Emerson Mnangagwa did not hold back. He openly accused the president of failing to tackle corruption, ignoring national unity, and leading Zimbabwe into economic disaster. The war veterans, once loyal to the ruling party, are now standing with the people, demanding urgent change. Let's dive into the details. In a dramatic turn of events, the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association, ZNLWVA, has openly called for President Emerson Mnangagwa to step down from office. The demand was made public on Friday at a press conference in Harare, where the association's chairman, Emerson Mnangagwa, voiced strong criticism against the president's leadership. According to Mnangagwa, the economic crisis, rampant corruption, and deepening tribal divisions have pushed the country to the brink of collapse. He accused Mnangagwa's administration of failing to implement effective policies to curb corruption, leading to widespread suffering among ordinary Zimbabweans. The war veterans, historically known for their loyalty to the ruling ZANU-PF party, are now aligning themselves with the frustrations of the general public. Mnangagwa emphasized that they are speaking on behalf of the millions of struggling Zimbabweans who feel abandoned by the government. The people of Zimbabwe are suffering. Corruption is at an all-time high, and the economy is in shambles. As war veterans, we fought for a free and prosperous Zimbabwe. But today, we are witnessing the opposite. The president has failed to act against corrupt officials, and the government has lost the respect of the people, Mnangagwa stated. One of the key concerns raised by the war veterans is the deep-rooted corruption within government structures. Allegations of top officials engaging in bribery, mismanagement of public funds, and the looting of national resources have plagued Mnangagwa's administration. Additionally, tribal favoritism has become a major issue, with accusations that certain regions and ethnic groups receive preferential treatment while others are marginalized. This, Mnangagwa argues, has further divided the nation instead of uniting it. We cannot continue to allow a leadership that prioritizes personal and tribal interests over national progress. Zimbabwe belongs to all of us, and we must ensure that every citizen is treated fairly, regardless of where they come from, he added. Across the country, frustration with Mnangagwa's rule has been growing. Citizens have increasingly voiced their dissatisfaction through social media and public demonstrations. The war veterans' stance adds significant weight to the call for leadership change, as they were once some of Mnangagwa's most loyal supporters. Political analysts suggest that this latest move could mark a turning point in Zimbabwean politics. If the war veterans continue to push for Mnangagwa's resignation, it could lead to intensified protests and potential instability within the ruling party. Meanwhile, tensions are further heightened by the ongoing political crackdown on Warvets. Geza, a well-known dissident, has reportedly gone into hiding after being charged with undermining the president's authority and inciting public violence. Government critics argue that these charges are an attempt to silence dissent and prevent opposition leaders from mobilizing the public. However, despite the intimidation, calls for change continue to grow. As the pressure mounts on Mnangagwa, political experts believe that the next few weeks will be crucial in determining Zimbabwe's political future. If the war veterans and opposition forces unite, the government could face one of its biggest challenges yet. The people of Zimbabwe are watching closely, hoping for a resolution that will bring stability, economic recovery, and an end to corruption. The question remains, will Mnangagwa step down, or will he fight to maintain power? For now, the nation waits. This version keeps the core message intact while expanding on key points, adding context, and making it more engaging for readers. Let me know if you'd like any further tweaks. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you on my next upload.